What is happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be recording the vlog. It's been a while since I recorded, so we're going to be hopping in the charts and see what is happening. As you know, we're going to be trading SP 500. So let's get into the charts. So getting straight to the point, what we can already see on the 1 hour time frame is this: the market touched here, here, and also here. Okay, so this is the market coming to make a third touch, possibly a move to the downside, but also you need to look at this. There's a gap, so there's also a possibility for the market to go up to come close this gap. Those are the two possibilities, right? And also, since the market is coming here to make a third touch, right, you can already see we have this trend line here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is some kind of a pattern, as you can see here. Okay, if potentially we see a break here and a retest, then we'll be looking for sales. But currently I'm also looking at this. We also have this gap, right? And also I see this right here. You have this pattern here that was made, right? This is a bullish pattern, and already you can see the market already broke it to the upside. So I'm looking at possibly taking this trade. So as usual, while we wait for the market to play out, yeah, I think you already know by now.
The car was abandoned in a garage for years. Can I bring back a totally destroyed car with a blown engine? The owner of this Camry left this car sitting for years after the engine stopped working.
Okay, so we got tagged into the trade, as you can see right here. If the market comes to halfway around here, I need to move my stop loss to just around here. So while I wait for the market to move, I'm just gonna play some eFootball. Okay?
Well, football is, of course, ultimately just a game, but for the next 2 hours, it might not feel like that. The stadium is full of noise and energy. Everyone involved is absolutely up for it. So it's away we go then. Good. Looking for options for movement. Goes for a shot! You've got to be quick to it. Oh, he's been caught napping. He's having a shot!
Great, but then again, I don't think he had a wonderful view of it.
Great chance! Really well taken goal. They're level in a trice.
Yeah, and
So 3:30 is about to hit, and the US stock market is gonna open soon. So we're just gonna be looking at the stock market open candles. We're gonna see how the market is gonna react. As you know, as you might know, usually it's very volatile. So we're gonna see where the candle is gonna go. So I ended up closing the trade at around a $10 loss, and also I noticed there's kind of a shift in the market. As you can see, there's wicks on the, as you can see, there are these wicks over here. Also, like, the market did not close above the trend line, so those wicks, they are signaling maybe the market might go to the downside. Okay, so as also there's this structure on the 15 minutes, so that's why I took this trade, and now I'm looking for sales. I'm not saying this is gonna go to the downside, but we'll see. So as you can see, I was waiting for the market to potentially come to the zone, but as you can see, the market just continued to go into the downside. Okay, so the limit order that was here, I cancelled it and then I entered manually when the market got here. Okay, so we're just gonna see the market. Yeah, the stop loss is still covering almost the entire structures, this one and this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the market to continue moving, and we'll see what is gonna happen. Okay, so the 1 hour candle is about to close and the trade is doing good actually, and as you can see, we might have passed the 50% of the trade, so that means I need to move my stop loss to somewhere around here. So I'm just gonna be doing that now. So since I trailed my stop loss to around this area, then that means my stop loss has been hit, as you can see. So we were about $30 into profits here, and the market just decided to just shift, as you can see here. No hesitation, just straight shot up to the upside. So I don't know what's happening here, so I'm just gonna have to take it however way it comes. So we lost. So today is Wednesday, 11th of March 2026. Today I did actually trade the account. As you can see, the balance, now we are up $33. Okay, so let me just go back into the history. No, actually it's gonna be, as you can see, today we made $29. That's because I actually took more trades than I was supposed to. Okay, these are the 4 trades that I took. Okay, the first one, I'll put the screenshot of it here. I had to close it because there was CPI coming. Okay, so I had to close the trade because CPI was coming. So yeah, I closed the trade. Then I took another one which it went like halfway into profits, then I moved my stop loss also halfway, then it came all the way to hit my stop loss. And this one also, I believe, yeah, it went into profits and went halfway, then came back to take me out. And then this one, it hit full TP. As you can see, we usually target like $40, so I made $40 on this one. So overall the profit for today was $29. Okay, as you can see, these are the past 2 days. So for the week we are still down. Okay, we are still down for the week. As you can see, we lost $32 on Monday, Tuesday $35. Today it was a green day, but we did take some losses, so we still have 2 days before the week ends. So we're gonna see how that is gonna go. So as you can see, I'm requesting I'm withdrawing 400 from this account. Okay, so because I want to buy a 10k one-step account from Equity Edge, so I believe it's $21. That's about $350. So I'm gonna be taking out 400 from this, and then the remaining amount, yeah, I'm gonna be trading it. Okay, so let me just withdraw and get the 10k account. So let's go. as you can see, the price is $42, right? Now I apply the code best year, and then they're gonna be giving me a 50% discount.